Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the wireless earbuds by iTeknic. It is an Bluetooth 5.0 True Wireless Earbuds with charging case for iPhone and Android phones too. That means it is compatible with all Bluetooth devices out there. Yeah. Charging case without wire charging option. Oh, it is a charging case for your earbuds. Easy. 3D stereo 30-hour playtime TWS headphones with microphone. Smart touch in-ear earphones. It is an headset by iTeknic. Nice name, I think. You have a really nice quality sound. Technic wireless earbuds with Bluetooth version 5.0 with high-resolution decoder built-in AAC and SBC audio coding technology to the stable transmission and realistic sound. Don't worry, cut off during listening or controlling. If you have any problems, reset the device or reconnect it. Then, if does not, will give you a solution, you should have information with the iTeknic team, of course. You have a Reddot Design Award Winner device here in your hand. Awesome. This wireless earbuds exquisite, unique appearance and comfortable ear tips design won the Red Dot Design Award. Yeah, IPX5 Waterproof makes it suitable for the gym or running outside to prevent water and sweat. Great. This is ideal for Chrismas gift. Oh yeah, or birthday present, of course. But I bought it for my smartphone because I like running a little bit. I'm not a big runner, but I'm a walker. And this walker man needs music while he's walking. And now I have music with these devices here. You have 30 hours of playtime. These headphones can last for about 8 hours playtime on a single charge at 75% of volume, of course. But I'm using only, I think, 30% of volume. This is enough for my ears. The charging case holds additional charging capacity for up to 30 hours of playtime for you in the stock. Mini-sized charging case for easy storing in the pocket. So fetch your sound music for several days even if there are power shortage. Oh, yeah, that's right. You have a multifunction touch control device here. Answer and hang up calls or switch the music by tapping on the earbuds instead of picking up your phone when it's a few feet away. The built-in microphones in each earbud will help you with this. You have a one-step pairing. This is really fast and really easy. These earbuds with one-step pairing technology will give you all space what you need. Pick up the two headsets from Charging Box of the Bluetooth list on your smartphone. You can see on the Bluetooth list the iTeknic IKBH004. The earbuds will connect each other automatically, but please attention, the right side earphone is used as the main earphone. The left side earphone will connect after about 1 second. And if you do not release both of them, you can dock it to devices, of course, because these are two earpods. You have a smart touch control for smart lifestyle. The answer, end of reject cards, music play and pause, volume control, track backward or track forward, or access other functions by tapping on the two wireless earbuds instead of picking up your phone when it's a few feet away. The IPX5 water-resistant technology, thanks to a precision design casing, The iTeknic TWS Bluetooth earbuds prevent water and sweat from penetrating and damaging its sensitive components. This is really nice because I am walking while it's raining, of course, and this will not harm the devices. There is a protective film on each iTeknic earbuds that needs to be removed before charging, of course. You see, or you saw it, I removed this protective film and now the device is getting the power out of the box into the earbuds. And please take off the headphones every 2 up to 3 hours to get your ears to relax. Don't wear this all day long. But this is an emergency thing for all headphones out there. This is not the special thing of these devices. Don't hear all day long with earbuds or headphones. You have True Wireless Headphones here, advanced professional chipset, and True Wireless Bluetooth 5.0 technology provides in-car stereo sound. Also own fast and stable transmission without tangling. You have a one-step pairing thing. It's really easy. Pick up the two headsets from charging box. They will connect each other automatically. Then only one step easy. Only enter the mobile phone Bluetooth settings. Choose iTeknic IKBW004. Or it was an H, not a W, to pair the earbuds. Job's done. It's really only a 3-second thing. And then you can enjoy the hi-fi stereo sound that wireless earbuds delivers exceptional clarity sound via graphene-coated drivers. Crystal clarity and deep resonant bass will delicately tuned sound signature deliver immersive sound and put you on the stage center. Oh, the sound is really good. I like it, the sound. And extended playtime. 8 hours of non-stop music is extended to 30 hours with the charging case. Recharge the headphones even when you're on the road again. Life becomes easy and smart with that iTeknic Bluetooth earbuds. Oh yeah, comfortable wearing snack fit. The ergonomic design allows the ultimate wearing comfort for an active lifestyle. 2 options of ear tips assure you to get your favorable size and ensure the earbuds stay comfortable, firm in place. Not easy to fall from ears without recognition. So you have to choose. It is a big thing and a small thing. My ears need the installed thing that was enough. You will get 2 earbuds, 1 charging case, 4 ear tip, 1 micro USB charging cable, and 1 operation manual. But it's really easy. The only thing you have to think about is how to use your fingers with a touch screen on the earbuds. If you have some failure with the earbuds, you can reset them. Put it back to the charging box and take the right one first. Touch the panel 6 times, then put it back to the box. Take the left one, touch the panel 6 times, then put it back too. And reconnect the mobile device stored in the headphone pairing list if the iTeknic IKBW004 paired before. And now we are going to operate it. Voice assistant. Standby. Music play. Long press L or R. Earbuds. Multifunction panel 2 seconds will activate the voice assistant. Answer calls. Press L or R for right earbuds. Multifunction panel once. The 3-way call. This is a little bit difficult, but we can handle this. Double click L or R. L is for right, and L is for left, and R is for right earbuds. Multifunction panel. Press L or R earbuds. Multifunction panel once. Answer new calls and hold the provisional calls. press L or R, earbuds multifunction panel on, switch calls. Long press L or R, multifunction panel 2 seconds, reject the new calls. That means you have here 3-way call, and it's a little bit difficult, but you can handle this. And end callers, double-click L or R to multifunction panel. If you reject a call, long press L or R, multifunction panel 2 seconds, reject the calls. Here, let's head up to the play and pause. Standby, music play, double-click L or earbuds, multifunction activated play or pause. If you like to volume up, TWS mode, music play or answer phone call, click the right panel volume plus. Right earbud mono mode, music play or answer phone call, click right panel volume up. Volume minus, go down with the volume. TWS mode, music play or answer phone call, click the left panel volume to minus. Note, you cannot use in mono mode. So in the mono mode, you cannot have a track backward. So, volume down, sorry about it. The track backward is now on the stage. Triple click left earbud multifunction panel. Note, this can also use not in the mono mode. The track forward thing is triple click the right earbud multifunction panel. That is on the stereo mode enabled, but not on the mono mode. Yeah, and the iOS system power display. The iOS device will have battery displays after connected with the iTeknic IPX5 in 190%, 80%, 70%, 60%, etc., etc. And at 10%, it will give you a alarm message, so that you have to get back your earbuds into the box. So it's really easy. As you can see, you can handle it. I can handle this too, because you have only one button each earbud. So this earbud has more functions in one click, of course. Okay, but you can handle this because the device will speak to you. If you speak and hold, it will give you a recall and information about what is going on. So, times of the charging box battery. The battery inside the charging box is 500 mAh. The numbers of lights indicates the charging case battery status when the headphones are placed in the case. Indicator light is white. All 3 indicators on provides 3 extra headphones charge. 2 indicators are on, 2 of 3 batteries provides 2 extra headphone charge. 1 indicator on means 1 of the 3 battery provides 1 extra headphone charge. And low battery, the first indicator is flashing. It's really easy, as you can see. If no LED is there, then you have to reload the battery. If there are a lot of LEDs are on, that means there are enough capacity to get on. So, let's pair it. Remove the headphones from the charging case. A voice prompt announcing power on. The headphones in pairing mode and the Bluetooth indicator of the left earbud flash solid 1 second. And it will flash 1 second. After left earbud indicators turn off, the indicator will start flashing. Turn on the Bluetooth feature on your mobile device. Then select your iTeknic BKBH004 headphones from the Bluetooth list. Once connected, a voice prompt announces connected, and it will remember this iTeknic headset again. Really awesome thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.